Hi everyone, welcome to week 25 of our Rainbow Common Exception words. Let's have a look what we're working with today. Lots of our words today begin with S. Our first word is strange. There is at the bottom, yellow word, strange. So there's a very strange looking alien there. S-T-R-A-N-G-E, strange. So we can use our sounds at the beginning of the word, str. Okay, and then we've got range, got a word within a word, range, a range of things, R-A-N-G-E. The alien is strange because it has 5 eyes. Strange. Okay, let's see if we can find our next word. Our next word is strength. There it is next to strange, strength. Okay, there's a man there with lots of strength, isn't there? The man's strength was clear to see. We've got str at the beginning of this word as well. And we've got ength, like in length. Okay. Our third word today is suppose, which is a really quite a tricky one. Suppose. Right in the bottom corner there. Suppose. What am I supposed to do when you ask yourself? Okay, so we've got S-U-P-P-O-S-E, suppose. We are supposed to go to school. So it's that double P that some people sometimes forget. Suppose. And we've got pose. There's a word within a word there. Pose, when you strike a pose. P-O-S-E. Suppose. Our final word today is surprise. There it is at the bottom of the bat. Surprise. We can use our sounds at the beginning of the word. Surprise. But instead of it being a Z, like in prize, it's an S. Surprise. Did you like your surprise party? It's remembering that R. Surprise. There's 2 R's in surprise. Okay, let's grab a piece of paper and our pencil and see which of these words, this week's words, is hiding behind our blocks. Okay, we have got what looks like a happy girl at a party. Maybe her party was a surprise. Can you write surprise on your mat? Surprise. Pause the video if you want more time. Surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. Surprise. Ready for number 2? Let's see what's hiding now. What is this? Not much clue yet. Will the middle solve the riddle? Looks like a lady bending over. She's pulling a rope with all of her, you guessed it, strength. Strength. Can you write the word strength? There it is. Strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. Strength. Here's number 3. What's hiding next? Very white square. W? Can you read the word? Bit strange this, isn't it? The word says weird. Weird. If something's weird, it's very, there you guessed it, strange. Can you write strange on your notebook? Here it is. Strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Strange. Our final word this week. We've got you've changed. And the butterfly says to the caterpillar, we're supposed to. Can you write suppose on your mat? Suppose. Pause the video if you need more time. Suppose. S-U-P-P-O-S-E. Suppose. Well done if you got that right. It was tricky. Keep practicing, guys. Make sure you get full marks on your spelling test, and I will see you next time.